Introducing our new and improved pre-registration feature. To navigate to this feature, simply click Visitors and then Pre-Registration. From here you can see all of the people who have completed their pre-registration, as well as which visitors have already checked in. This is searchable by name or date and can be sorted by any of the fields at the top. By clicking the eye icon in the Details column, you can see all of the details on any pre-registered guest, including what video they were served, any quizzes they took and the answers they gave, as well as any agreements they signed. Open the Links tab to see all of the pre-registration links that have been generated within your organization. These are also searchable by name and can be filtered by expiration date. By clicking the eye icon here, you can see every visitor that has pre-registered using this link, when they completed it, and if they have checked in yet. You can also dive deeper here with the eye icon again to see all of the details about their registration. To generate a new pre-registration link, simply click Create New. Name your link accordingly and select the associated kiosk. Choose the visitor type if this link is for a specific purpose. Otherwise, it will be left up to the visitor to select which type of visitor they are. You can also customize the URL to reflect the purpose of this link, as well as set an expiration date for it. For example, if you want to use the same link for all contractors in the future, perhaps you do not want to set an expiration date. However, if you have a scheduled visit coming in, it might be a good idea to set an expiration date for the day they are visiting. If there is a specific host for this particular link, you can select that here as well. When everything looks right, click Create, and you will see the new link added to your list. Now you can click the clipboard icon to copy your link and paste it wherever you may need in order to send it to your future guests. Visitors can complete the registration from any device. As you can see, it scales for mobile and desktop devices. For any questions about this feature, or to schedule a demo of the LobbyFox system, please visit lobbyfox.com.